Hey Sony shooters, big news. If you own an A7RV or an A7IV, you need to grab this massive new firmware update right now. Sony just dropped version 4.00 for the RV and 6.00 for the 4, and they are packed with features we've been asking for. First up, autofocus gets a serious boost. We now have an XL spot size, perfect for trekking unpredictable subjects. Plus, we get 3 new custom focus area slots. This is a game changer for event and sports photographers who need to switch settings on the fly. For us video creators, the workflow improvements are huge. You can now flag clips as okay, or keep right in the camera. This is going to save so much time in the edit. The A7 IV also finally gets the constant audio level meter display during recording. There are tons of other tweaks, like a new golden ratio grid, better FTP transfer options, and even support for Sony's camera authenticity solution. This isn't just a bug fix, it's a substantial upgrade that makes these already great cameras even better. Download links are in the description. Let me know which new feature you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.